Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Hello everyone, this is Miss B. My online class is almost over because it's already 4:20 in the afternoon. So I'll be preparing dinner for my husband and son using this pot. This is Salad Master. Anyway, going back, I will use this pot, Salad Master, in cooking this simple recipe. This is pesto salmon or salmon pesto. If you are a Filipino, we call this salmon, but in here this is salmon pesto. And the reason why I'm using this pot is because of the health benefit that I could get, because I have high cholesterol. So as much as possible, I am avoiding eating too much oily food. So how do we cook and prepare this salmon pesto recipe using Salad Master? By the way, this is not a paid advertisement and I'm not selling Salad Master, but if you want to get one of this, which I think I could recommend, if you're living in South Carolina, you can contact my friend Corey Vizgara. If you're living in Canada, you can contact my cousin Bienda Gabrido. And if you're living in Chicago, you can also contact our cousin Guillermo Bellini. So, how do you prepare this salmon pesto recipe? So, let's see. Let's start cooking salmon pesto in this electric skillet. So the first thing that we do is, in a cold skillet, we will place half of spinach. So this is actually half bag of spinach, but if you want more of this, it's up to you. I love spinach, but in the Philippines, this is really expensive. So what we're using there is kangkong. But in here, since this is affordable, so we can use spinach. And then we will place or lay salmon on top of spinach. So by the way, I washed my hands a while ago, so there you go. After putting salmon on top, we will cover it with pesto. If you want more of this, it's up to you. You can buy it anywhere, or if you want to make your own, that is fine, but this is easy to prepare and put. Okay, so after we cover salmon with pesto sauce, what I'm using, by the way, is the classic pesto. After we cover salmon with pesto sauce, so what I'm using, by the way, is the classic pesto. Let's put it over. So if you want to put salt and pepper, it's up to you. So I want to put a little pepper. So if you want more, it's up to you. So this is optional. Some are not putting pepper while cooking, so they're just putting it after they cook it. Later on, I'll put salt if it's not tasty. If you want to put tomato cherry, it's up to you, but since it's quarantine time and I don't have time to buy and go to Walmart, I only have this, so that's what I will use. And then after that, you need to set the temperature to 325. We will set the time for 6 minutes, and then after 6 minutes we will check. We will cover it and let's wait for 6 minutes.
A few moments later.
Do you see this? So let us check because it's 6 minutes already. Wow, let's see. This is really delicious. Please try this. This is really healthy. Let's have another 5 minutes. We will lower the heat from 325 to 180.
5 minutes later.